Hey fam, Chichi here. Welcome back. We have a viewer request video. One of you asked if I could review my Louis Vuitton Louise earrings against my Louis Vuitton 2D earrings. I have both of them and they're pretty different in my collection, and I'll just talk about all the pros and cons of both of them. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. We're gonna start off with my first pair of Louis Vuitton earrings, and that is the 2D earrings. I got this to curb my appetite for the Louise earrings at the time. I bought this last year. I gravitated towards these earrings because it did have all of the fleur-de-lis etched in here, as well as the LVs. And on the back, it was completely flat with nothing on it. I bought these because I really wanted the Louise, but everybody has the Louise. So I was just like, I think I want something different. And then when these came out, I was like, ooh, this is very unique, very interesting. So I decided to purchase these. These, I believe, retailed at the time for, I want to say $515. I definitely have to check my receipt again, but I thought that it was a good price point. And then when I got them in hand, they had a little bit of weight to them. So I was just like, oh, we're gonna have a grand old time. So I picked these up, and I really do like them, but I'm not in love with them because the back of the earring is so flat and there's nothing on it. When you have it on your ear, you can see it right now, it pulls so you only see the flat part. And that's the biggest thing I hate about these earrings. It's just, you kind of miss out on the intricacies of the actual earring, which I don't know, maybe it's my earlobe, but I also feel like it's because of how they twisted it. So it kind of twists backwards instead of twisting forward. So that's probably the biggest issue I have with these earrings. And also with this particular earring, my clasp on here, one false move and it's gone. If I hit my ear wrong, it's gone. So I haven't been wearing these out because I'm too afraid to lose them. Now I did go into Louis Vuitton and spoke with a SA, and she was willing to swap this out for something else because you can't buy these anymore. But I was like, at the time, they didn't have anything that was really, sparking my interest. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna hold on to these. But honestly, I kind of wish I would have swapped it out for something else because this clasp alone, I just don't feel comfortable even wearing these out. I only wear them to film. So I am getting wears in, but I just don't feel comfortable at all trying to wear this out. Overall, the effect of these earrings, I really do like, but the fact that you can't really see those details, it's a little, sour in my mind. But I also do like how low-key these are because you don't really see the etching of the earrings until you get really up on you, and I like my personal space. I do like that because it doesn't look like a Louis Vuitton earring from far away, but when you get up close, if you're able to get that close to me, you'll see, oh, those are Louis Vuitton. So if you are on the pre-love market and you want to get these, they do have a little bit of weight to them. But another thing that I started to see is that I see the tarnishing starting. So parts of this is showing up silver, so that gold plating, which isn't really gold, is starting to peek through. So that's another thing that I'm just like, really not loving that. But overall, I think it is a pretty earring, but with the one side, being so fragile, it's like, it dampens it for me. Let's move on to the very popular Louise earrings. This is the GM size. They have now introduced a PM size, which is really, you know, a nice little cute one. And then they have like a baby Louise, which is very, very, very cute. This one retails currently for $715. Now, when I was first interested in this particular pair, they were a little bit on the high fives when they first released. So these have gone up significantly in price, which makes them it made me not want to buy them, because I did have the opportunity to buy them when they first released, and then they got really popular here on YouTube, and then it was just like, no, I don't want to do it. But because the 2D earring wasn't satisfying my craving for the Louise earrings, for Christmas of last year, I ended up buying this for myself. And as soon as I got them, I was like, why did I wait this long to get them? Because I absolutely love them. As far as the weight goes, this is a lot lighter than the 2D earrings, which I'm okay with both of them. I have seen really bad replicas of this, and that's why I kind of don't love wearing these out in public too much, because I may have seen 3 people and they were definitely replicas, and I'm just like, hello. The most memorable one is when I went to the DMV and I was like, oh my God, I love your earrings. And she's like, no, actually I said, I love your Louise earrings. And she said, oh, what are they called? What did you call them? And I was like, you don't know the name of them? Okay, girl. Other than that, as far as like the wear of these, I haven't seen any wear on it, which was quite surprising, because I thought this would either, you know, the paint would chip off or it get a little like dirty. Ew, I mean, they are a little dirty. I haven't cleaned them, but I really just love the style of this. I'm a hoop girl through and through till I die. Hoop gang all day. But this earring, it's flashy. I'm not even gonna lie. It's flashy. People see the logo and they immediately know what it is. And that's why I did gravitate towards the 2D earrings, because you're not gonna know what this is. But with the Louise, when you just want to add that extra little razzle dazzle to your fit, look at this. I'm all business right now, but you know, got a little party on my earlobe. So with Louise, I really do enjoy this hoop a lot, and I'm glad that I purchased them. I wish I would have purchased it regardless of who I may have seen with these earrings, because this is my style. I have yet to confirm whether or not this is 14 karat gold plated or 10 karat. So the jury's still out on it, but you already know my firm belief. I just feel like it's just gold paint. Yeah, which one do I recommend? If you want to have a low-key earring, 2D is definitely your girl. But if you want something a little bit flashier, I highly recommend the Louise. But even with the Louise, because they come in various sizes, there's something for everyone as far as the logo goes. So I really do like the Louise earrings a lot. And in my personal case, which one I would repurchase, I would repurchase the Louise earrings, only because I'm a hoop kind of girl. It does have a little bit of flash to it, but I don't feel like these will ever go out of style because the logo itself is so simple. I'm glad it doesn't have any sort of crystals on the logo, because crystals fall out and things like that. So that's why I really do like the fact that these are just solid. And I believe these did come in silver as well, and low-key, very high-key. I would get a pair of silver ones because I am trying to broaden my horizons when it comes to silver jewelry. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.